Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a step by step on how I made this bow with tail, just the same way you see in this video. So if you're interested, keep watching. So these are the materials that I have here. I have these three different sizes of materials, and I have my clip, and then this piece I'll be using to actually hold it on. So this bigger size is about 16 inches by 16 inches, and then this piece that will be forming the smaller bow is about 9.2 by 5 inches wide. That's how it is. And then this bigger one is 10 inches by 7.2 inches. So now what I'm going to do is that this piece that is actually going to be forming the tail, I'm going to be just placing it and forming a triangle just the same way you see like this. So I'll just sew it and leave a space there to turn it inside out, and then I'll be folding this one into two. I'll just go ahead and sew it all the way around, and then I'm actually going to be opening it in the middle to turn it inside out from one side, and I'll be folding this one into two. I'll just go ahead and sew it all the way around as well, and also open it up and turn it. So this is what I have after I was done sewing and then turning it. I did the same thing to this other two that I'll be forming the bow at the upper side as well. As you can see, this small space that I actually created, so that one already had it already. So I'll just go ahead and neatly iron every piece so that I'll be able to continue with the work. So after ironing, this is what I have. I also went there to fix the thread, doubled thread on my hand needle as well. So I'll be forming it like this. I flip it once, I'll flip it to this other side just the same way you see. I'll also flip it like that. I'll continue flipping it until I exhaust it just the same way you see like this. So I will flip it like that. So it's actually formed the tail that is actually going to be going down. So I will just use my hand needle, and then I will just make a loose stitch so that I'll be able to tighten it so that it actually comes. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So I'll just go ahead and do it all the way to this other side, and then just draw it so that it actually comes together from that midpoint. So like I said, I'll just go ahead and draw it like that, and then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be working on these two bows. So I'll just place it right in the middle. You see that the smaller one is actually shorter, and you see that space. So I'll fold it like that so that it will be in the middle, and I'll mark. I already used my chalk to mark the midpoint, so I'm also using this thread to actually pass it through, down and up all the way to this side, so that it will also gather right in the middle. So I'll just go ahead and draw it so that it comes together close to the one that's actually forming the tail. It will actually come close to it. I'll just draw it and then still sew it so that it will be firm enough. So the next thing is I'll just go ahead and tighten it. I will just tie it and then just still hold it so that it will be firm, to not lose. Okay, and when I'm done, I'll just go ahead and cut it out. As you can see, I was just like making multiple notches so that it doesn't lose. So this is what I have after I was done doing that. Now I'll be using this piece that I actually sew and then iron. I will just be placing it right in the middle to cover the thread, and I have my gum here. I'll be using the gum, and I also still be sewing. So I have my clip right, hair clip right there too. So now I'll just go ahead and sew it. I actually flip it. It's actually flipped, all right. So I'll just go ahead and sew it, holding the down one to the upper one. Just go ahead and sew it all the way to the other side, just the same way you see like this. So guys, after I'm done doing that, I'll just go ahead and notch it. I'll just hold it on tight so that it will not loosen anytime soon. It will not lose at all. So I'll just go ahead and tighten it. That's what I meant. I'll just tie it and then cut that out. So this is what I have. I will be trimming it a bit, and then this is where the gum comes in. I will fold in a bit so that the rough edge will not show from the outside. So I will use my gum and then fold it in so that the rough part will not show, and then just gum it right. So here I'm just using my needle to push the gum inside to make it gum well. And after doing this, you can actually leave it like that and it will still be fine, but I still wanted to still sew it All right, so with this it was really really tight. This thing was really really tight and firm. It was not losing at all. So this is what I have. The next thing is just to insert this hair clip inside the bowl, and this is just basically it. Very simple and easy to make. So you see that it's actually neat and it is strong and firm. It will not loose because I actually hand stitch everything. So this is what I have. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share it to anyone you know the video will be of help to. So let me know in the comment section if you find this helpful, and then if you have any video recommendation, write it down so that we'll see it and then create other amazing content, sewing content. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next tutorial video. Bye.